Alright guys, we're at the last stage, clearing. So again, we're going to wipe the parts down with lacquer thinner, and then we're going to mix up some clear, and we're going to shoot it. Alright guys, everything's wiped down, ready to go. Now we're going to mix the Clearcoat. I'm just using Transtar classic Clearcoat with the fast Activator. Alright guys, this is after 3 medium coats, and I'm going to call these done. Alright guys, that's the last step of the videos, and if you need to go any further, if you have any runs or anything in the clear, you can always cut and polish it. I like to do 800, 1000, 1500, 2000, 3000 and polish, and you should be good. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks.